On business news, Indonesia's central bank has cut interest rates again in a surprise move, stepping up support for Southeast Asia's largest economy. Bank Indonesia trimming its benchmark 7-day reverse repurchase rate by 25 basis points to 5%. Saifulbahri Ismail with this report.
This is the fifth interest rate cut by Bank Indonesia since September last year, bringing the rate to its lowest level since late 2022. In total, policymakers have now slashed 125 basis points. Officials say global uncertainties and their impact on the rupiah often influence the timing of rate cuts. The rupiah is more vulnerable to swings in market sentiment compared to other emerging Asian currencies. Following Wednesday's decision, the rupiah held largely steady.
Keputusan penurunan suku bunga BI rate ini konsisten dengan tetap rendahnya perkiraan inflasi tahun 2025 dan 2026 dalam sasaran 2,5 +-1%, terjaganya stabilitas nilai tukar rupiah, dan perlunya mendorong pertumbuhan ekonomi sesuai dengan kapasitas perekonomian.
Bank Indonesia says it will continue to assess room for further cuts, balancing the need to spur growth with keeping inflation low and the rupiah stable. The move came after data earlier this month showed GDP growth accelerated to 5.12% in the second quarter, the fastest pace in 2 years, supported by strong investment and household spending. But some economists have questioned the strength of that data, pointing instead to signs of weakening domestic demand. Others warn of looming risks to growth from new U.S. tariffs. Since August 7, Indonesia's exports to the United States have faced a 19% tariff, the same level applied to Thailand, Malaysia, the Philippines and Cambodia. Even so, Bank Indonesia projects the economy will expand above the midpoint of its 2025 forecast range of 4.6 to 5.4%. Last week, in his first budget speech, President Prabowo Subianto unveiled a $234 billion budget for 2026, with sharp increases in defense spending and his flagship food and nutrition programs. Mr. Prabowo is targeting economic growth of 5.4% in 2026. Saifulbahri Ismail, CNA, Jakarta.